Let's sign into it and then we'll come to know of it. Now quickly connect to Tableau Online. But why are we doing this? Of course, the objective here to do this is to ensure that we are able to connect with the Tableau website also and work with its resources, or create our own space on the cloud setting where it will help us in maintaining your own data. Oops, where is it gone? Yeah, okay. No, not this. Oh, these are some of the windows that we had opened. I'm closing these windows for your ease. Yeah, where were we? If I click on server, yeah, we already signed into it, okay? And where is it? We need to sign in again, okay? Let's connect here. And once you are signed into this, you will be able to create. You will be able to share your own details and such data. So I click on open workbook here. These are the samples that are available over there as my workbooks. If you want, we can also search by tags and by the ownership. So this is how you can open your workbooks over there. And in addition to that, you can also, we do not have any other Tableau server sign in. You can also publish your data source. If I click on this, yeah, okay. So we can publish this data source to Tableau Online. So if I click on default, say Tech Mahindra, and I click publish, then it will be sending the details to the server. Yeah, see, there. Now we already have an account that we have created over there. So with that, yeah, see, you can see it over here. It is schedule extract refresh has been published to keep this data intact. Okay, so schedule refresh extract. So what I've done here is we will cancel it for now. What all data that we have, we can see it over here. Okay, and then the data that we are seeing here, it is giving us the different detailings out here in terms of value distribution and things like that. Again, for connections, if I click here, it is giving me the CSV file details. So these are the additional features that are pertaining to the website. Now, I don't want you all to go to, I'm not interested more in this, what can be done on this website and what can't be done. But yeah, okay, that's your trial, is it? I'm not interested in this. Okay, I say no, I'm not. Skip, I'm not interested. So again, the objective is not what you do on Tableau Online. Okay, that is a separate thing altogether. But the objective out here was for me to explain as to how you sign in to the Tableau Server's website, and after signing in over there, what are the set of tasks that you can function, that you can perform. Now we are creating a user filter. Okay, you can publish the book. You can also open a workbook. So if I click on open workbook, it's already showing you over here which workbooks are available over there. Click on all workbooks. Okay, we don't have. You can search over here. Let me see if I can search for the workbook I just published there. I'm not sure if it will show up though. No, it's not showing up over here. So you can open the workbook, you can publish a workbook. If we click on this, Tableau Public, manage my profile. Yeah, we need to provide the sign in and the login details. Let's sign in and see what it shows up. Now it is showing us an invalid email and password. So fine, we may have to create one for the public account, but we are not going into that. Okay. But yes, this is how you will be able to work on the Tableau website itself. And these are the details that you can share over here. External assets. These are the external assets that have been provided over here. See, these are some of the data that you can import over here. Clearly, you can see that for these external assets, if I click on this, that is the account that we have created for ourselves. So you can have your own selection over here. Okay, when you publish it, And then based on the selections that you provide here, your data, you can maintain it over here. So this is what we are able to see over. This is how we use this additional feature for the server. If you want, we can also install Tableau Bridge client. So what is the significance of the Bridge client? Okay, this goes into a separate product, so I'm not going to get into this. Anyway, this is not what we are looking at right now, but like I mentioned, the objective in having and using how to connect with an external server, the Tableau's online server, where they provide some bit of space wherein you can share your details and provide any external data set or external created dashboards and stories and such. So that is the only objective of this particular file menu, the menu that we have. On the Windows menu, let us click on the presentation mode. So when you click on the presentation mode, the entire software, it shows us the data in the presentation format. See out here you can see that's the presentation mode. It's in the full screen. That these are the tabs it is showing. It will show us the story over here. So depending on what you create here, if you create a story or a dashboard or a view, that data or that analysis, it will be reflected over here in the presentation mode. So see, if I click on the next sheet, the next sheet is that of story. But obviously we have not created anything on the project side, so we can't see all of it. Let us click on the exit presentation mode. So fine, we'll come over here. So and then on the window we can it is showing us the sheet. It can also show us the story. So what you want to see in the existing window, that will be those details can be set from this Windows menu that we have here. And so that is what we have as far as the graphical user interface understanding is concerned, pertaining to server and the window GUI interfaces.